Welcome to Kishu Kids channel. Subscribe to our channel.
A for apple. Hello children, I am apple. 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 E is for ball. Hello children, I am ball. 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 C is for cup. Hello children, I am cup. 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 D for dog. Hello children, I am a dog. 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 E is for egg. Hello children, I am an egg. 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 F for fish. Hello children, I am a fish. 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 G for goat. Hello children, I am a goat. 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 H for horse. Hello children, I am a horse. 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 I for ice cream. Hello children, I am an ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J for joker. Hello friends, I am a joker. Your laughing friend. Joker. Joker. K for kite. Hello friends, I am a kite. Your best friend. Kite. Kite. L for lion. Hello friends, I am a lion, the king of jungle. Lion. Lion. M for monkey. Hi children, I am a monkey, your naughty friend. Monkey. Monkey. N for nose. Hello children, I am a nose, a primary organ of your body parts. Nose. Nose. O for orange. Hello friends, I am an orange, a very tasty and healthy fruit for you. Orange. Orange. P for peacock. Hello kids, I am a peacock. I am a national bird of India. Peacock. Peacock. Q for queen. Hello friends, I am a queen. 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 R for rose. Hello friends, I am a rose. I am a king of flowers. Rose. Rose. S for sun. Hello children, I am a sun, a big star in the sky. Sun. T for tiger. Hello kids, I am a tiger. I am a king of jungle. T t tiger, t t tiger. U for umbrella. Hello friends, I am an umbrella. I protect you for rainy season. Uh, umbrella. Uh, umbrella. V for van. Hello friends, I am a van. 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 W for watermelon. Hello kids, I am a watermelon. I am a tasty and healthy fruit. Watermelon. Watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Hello children, I am a Xmas tree. I am a wishing power tree. Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y for yak. Hello kids, I am a yak. 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 Z for zebra. Hello kids, I am a zebra. Zebra. Zebra.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.